Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Sagittarius for the month of October, for all the 4 weeks of October. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Sagittarius, this is your energy this month, that is the Page of Swords. This is showing me that you will be you will have a high amount of energy. You will be channelizing your energy in the right direction. You will be very excited and very enthusiastic about something happening in your life, and there will be a lot of clarity about things, and you will set your goals accordingly. Moving towards your first week, it is the King of Wands, Three of Wands, and the Death reverse. So this shows me that there is something in your life which is has not been really good, something which has been little painful, but you're not letting that affect you. You are being very determined to move ahead. You are planning about your future goals. You want to move ahead. You are planning, you are seeing things clearly from far away, and there is a lot of clarity, and you know what you want, you know where you want to go. So that kind of energy I see in the first week. You might be sitting at a position, or if you're not, there are chances that you might even get promotions for some of you, or some of you might also plan to go somewhere, or might get an opportunity from abroad. So that seems a good option. So yeah, before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week says the Star reversed, the King of Pentacles reversed, and the Nine of Wands. So I think you are a little confused. I think this whatever is troubling you in your life is somewhat it's difficult to always be at the peace. So sometimes it makes you a little insecure also, because whatever things that you have earned because of your hard work, whatever things that you have, your position, your power, your resources, your security, whatever things that you have, is just because of that threat. It is just making you a little insecure. You have wished for good things in life. You have plans to earn money, and now you are you might feel a little insecure that whatever you have earned, you don't want to let these things go away. So that kind of insecurity can be there in the second week. Moving towards the third week, Justice reversed, Six of Cups reversed, and Page of Cups reversed. So this is showing me that that you might feel little unfair. By the third week, you might feel that emotionally you might feel little drained out. Whatever is happening in your life, you feel that you have done so much, you have put in so much hard work. No matter what I do, things are not turning into my favor, and you might feel little you might even have some argument or conflict with a family member. Could be an elder family member of your it could be some relative or some close family member also. Could be mother or some grandmother or somebody. So that will make you feel little upset about that. I take care of people, but I don't get the same thing in return. So that kind of a feeling can be there. In the fourth week, cards are Knight of Pentacles, Strength reversed, and Eight of Cups. So this is showing me that you are a good planner. You have always planned in a very good manner, and you know how to go about how to reach your goal in step by step way. So here also, by fourth week, you will start planning, and your main focus will be on your finances. You want to do something in your life, and you will start planning about it. Though it will be at a very slow pace. You will not do much about it, because that can some emotional instability and emotional weakness. You might be feeling internally weak, but otherwise your planning is going to be good. Whatever you are planning, you will take some time to figure out things, and you might plan for something which is totally different from what you are doing right now. You might feel that wherever you are right now is not serving you any good, though everything is there, everything practically, if you think, things are there, but it is not making you emotionally satisfied. So you might feel like changing your path, you might feel like going on a different direction altogether for the search of happiness. So this was about it. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. For the personalized reading and daily readings, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Links are given there. And all right, goodbye. Thank you.